Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet practical JavaScript program that computes the average of an array. Before averaging, the program maps each element to a value using a provided function. This process is highly useful for handling datasets in various applications. The problem involves transforming an array into mapped values using a function and then computing the average of these values. The program uses the map method to transform the array elements, followed by reduce to compute their sum. Finally, dividing by the array's length gives the average. The process starts by mapping the array, then reducing it to a sum, and finally, dividing the sum by the number of elements to compute the average. This table provides a clear example of how the function works. Notice how the program dynamically adjusts based on the function or property provided. This solution leverages modern ES6 features like arrow functions, map, and reduce for an elegant and efficient implementation. This function can also be applied to a variety of real-world scenarios, from analyzing datasets to managing scores in games. In summary, this JavaScript function is an efficient and versatile tool for computing averages from arrays with applications in numerous fields. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.